If your BMW 7 Series Apple CarPlay has stopped connecting, follow these steps to restore your wireless link. Data shows that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are solved through simple software repairing. Before digging into settings, we need to perform a hard reset on the iDrive system. Press and hold the volume power button for 30 seconds until the display reboots, then remove your phone from the saved device list. On your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and confirm that Siri is active, as CarPlay depends on it. Common culprits include an expired connected drive subscription, an active VPN on your phone, or outdated vehicle software. Most users fix this at home, but if the unit remains unresponsive after a factory reset, you likely have a hardware fault. A DIY reset is free, while dealer software updates or hardware replacements can range from $100 to over $1,000. Finally, forget the connection on both devices, restart the pairing process, and ensure you accept all permissions on the dashboard prompt. Remember that your phone and the head unit must maintain a secure handshake. Interference or outdated protocols will break it. As one technician noted, these connectivity issues are rarely permanent failures, just signal handshakes that have lost their way. If you still have no connection, check your dealer for a software update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 7 Series tips.